Yeah, this is Don Schufro. In the breeding, he's been very successful. He is leading the rankings in all the major breeding countries. For me, this is a very special stallion. It was actually the first stallion I bought myself back in '97. Horse is a stud that wants to do the best it can in the breeding, in the sport. We have been going on now for a little bit over 20 years. Yeah, in the sport, our best achievements has been a bronze medal with the Danish team at the Olympic Games in Hong Kong in 2008 with Don Schufro. Yeah, at several occasions we have been in the Danish team. So we are quite proud and happy about that. These 2-year-old stallions has been living outside since May last year, where we put them into the field, and then they have been actually staying outside since then. We only take them inside for a day, you know, if they had to get to the blacksmith, and we are doing deworming, and they have to get vaccinated. Otherwise, they stay outside. It's the best things you can do to a horse, because later in life everything gets much more easy if they're used to that. We always try to get the best. Sometimes we have success, sometimes we don't. But you know, everybody is looking for horses with X factor, and you know, it's hard. There's so many competitors in the whole world who is looking for the same kind of horses. But you know, we try to do the best to get them.